How to hand off Axure RP designs to the engineer team? Handing off the prototypes designed in Axure RP directly to the engineer team can be achieved through the following steps. Organize design documentation. Ensure that your prototype design in Axure RP is comprehensive, including all pages, interactive effects, annotations, and specifications. Organize these design documents to make them clear and easy to understand. Export Redlines and Specifications. Utilize Axure RP's export functionality to generate redlines or annotated designs. These visuals will showcase specific dimensions, spacing, colors, and other details of the design, aiding the development team in accurately implementing the design. You can achieve this by uploading the document to Axure Cloud and using the Inspect feature. Communicate with the development team. Before handing over the design, communicate with the development team. Explain the interactive logic, animation effects, and any special requirements to ensure they understand your intentions. Provide support and answer questions. After handing over the design, be willing to provide support to the development team. Address any questions they may have during the implementation process and collaborate closely with them to ensure accurate realization of the design. Feedback and review. Regularly provide feedback and review sessions with the development team. Ensure that the design is implemented as expected and make necessary adjustments and modifications as needed. Version control. Throughout the handoff process, ensure the effectiveness of version control. Use version control tools like Git to track changes and updates to the design, avoiding confusion or loss. By following these steps, you can smoothly hand off the prototypes designed in Axure RP to the development team and work closely with them to ensure the final product meets expectations and design requirements.